one. This is the pre-facelift 200 series Landcruiser. It's the one I'd have. It's the V8 twin turbo diesel. Being pre-facelift means it gets one very awesome option that the facelift one has got. It's got no DPFs, just 4 big ugly cats. And a stock system that's pretty boring. So here we have our replacement system, pair of high flow cats, high flow muffler, and we're going to fit it up, see how it sounds. Alright, here we are. This is the system fitted up to the car. 2 high flow cats, and as opposed to the 4 factory ones. Mandrel bent piping, high flow muffler, and straight into the back. Let's see how it sounds.